How to redeem Burger King gift card online. Let's get started. Launch your Burger King app, or also you can use the web version of Burger King. For this video, I'm going to use the Burger King app. You can launch the app and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of menu. Then you can browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order. Add the items to the cart that you want to order. Once you are done, you can proceed to checkout, and after you land to the checkout page, over there you will need to select a payment method. For the payment method, you're going to find different options. You will see the option of gift card as well. Click on it and then head over to the next page. Over there you will need to type in your gift card details. Once you provide your gift card details, confirm your order, and with that your gift card will be redeemed. Or also you can use another method. For that, what you have to do is click on three bars. Then click on the option of payment methods. Click on the option of add a crown card. Now over here you have to type in your gift card details and then click on save and continue. With that your payment details will be updated. Now whenever you make a purchase, you will get this gift card option. You just have to click on it, and with that your gift card will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem your Burger King gift card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.